morning, YouTube. Happy Turkey Day, happy Turkey Day. I'm coming to you from the kitchen before everything happens. This Thanksgiving, I'm gonna be celebrating with my family at my aunt's house, all my cousins, all my aunts and uncles, grandma, family, friends, and stuff like that. Real simple. I'm very excited, as you can see, but I'm going to be helping this year in the kitchen. So right now, I'm gonna get ready and go outside and get some quick stuff from the grocery store with my mom. But before I get into the video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Leave something in the comments down below. And if you're new, welcome to the Creative Boo. How you do?
Yeah.
I'm back and I'm ready to go. I'm just waiting on my mom. Oh, look cute. Are you from New York even? I'm about to put my Uggs on. Ooh. Ma! Let's go! Are you kidding me? Walking in a winter wonderland. This is real slavery, you know. Oh no. Alright. Clothing and shoe drop off. Oh yeah, I wouldn't be able to do that. You know, I don't got the arms for that. No, you can put it in.
And giving means to give food, not for money. 139. Oh, sir.
Alright, we got one. Got it. We are back home. I'm gonna start unpacking stuff and get ready to go in the kitchen. I like your cut, G. Goodness. I like your cut, G. Okay, so I'm back. I took a shower and brushed my teeth, all of that, whatever you want to call it. Why do I keep doing that? It says a lucky label. It's really cute. It's very comfortable. I got it from Amazon. I'm gonna give y'all a quick OOTD little clip or whatever. So I'm wearing it head to toe like this, and I'll put it up though because I want it to look like it's very comfortable. I'm wearing these socks, right? I got this from, where I got this from? Amazon too, or Primark, one of them. And then on my feet, then I got this from Amazon. It's a large. I didn't want nothing fancy. I just wanted something comfortable because it's cold outside for me. Y'all gonna see. Let me take the tag off because let's get on. I'm about to fix my wig. If you haven't yet, go check out that last video that I posted. I was showing y'all how I made French bangs out of an old wig. I'm gonna fix that just now, and then on my head, I'm going to wear this. I'm gonna like roll it up. So yeah, stay tuned. What? Oh, the light's so bright. I don't care about jobs. I am there. If you see that she fall down flat and she bowling on. Yeah. I can't push it back. Oh, wait, happy Turkey Day. Hi, Jay. Yeah. Oh, you're already taking photos? Oh, video. I can't even get up. I forgot I'm recording.
She went to the Friendsgiving. I got family. I can't.
I thought Friendsgiving was the day before Thanksgiving.
You go in Chinese restaurant.
Wait, no, until you gotta shop for it. You gotta say, no, wait, they eat for it.
Wait, put your TikTok video already.
Right here. I think you do. You gotta zoom in on that face. Look it up.
When you tell people ferry, because people who ferry, how do you expect them to get gas? What was this? Downstairs. What was that? I can't remember. There was a bag. Hello. I have a bag to collect the bottles for the recycle, please. Nah, she bad. Not tonight, y'all. We got to complain here. Collection.
Say hi.
Me soon, I can already me soon. I do already me soon. Dance with me, baby.
something nice. I don't know what I'm saying.
Grandma, tell him Mr. Yasin Guab just did the bar in here. What you doing?
Tell it to your parents. Grandma, you don't pay me no mind, no?
I can't say for her. You got it.
No, you go upstairs to get more. Come on, check her.
Say good night. Happy Turkey Day.
Get money, get money, get money, get